So, do you like painting? Do you enjoy painting?
Yeah. I like painting, enjoy painting, and also I can do painting also.
Okay, tell me about it a little bit more. Which
Um,
color do you use?
it's I always like abstract landscape. It's
Okay.
always my preference, but um, always I have I like the abstraction in painting, and it should be composition wise would be as because I'm an architect. Composition would be nice and. It should be harmonious. All the and color should be harmonious. All colors that are used in painting that should be harmonious, and the total tone will be same. It's what should I tell you? I can't explain you exactly, but paintings are always uh, it's expressions of human beings' likings, dislikings, his expressions. Everything is in painting, and it carry out when you want to take any painting. It should be what I think it should have a nice color combination, nice compositions, all of that.
Okay. So, mainly your medium is pencil or pen, sketch.
No. I always like acrylic and oil painting. Pencil
Acrylic
sketch
and oil
that
painting.
yeah, pencil sketch that is also my favorite generation. Someone who can do the painting or who can do sketches. That is a very beautiful thing. The media is different.
Okay, okay. And do you have any interest about famous arts like Van Gogh's
Yeah,
or
yeah, yeah. Van Gogh, Monoir, Cezanne, Matisse, Matisse, Renoir, and Cezanne is the father of all painters, which is um, it's always saying by the all the painters basically. Mm, and
I'm not
then
aware of him
Van
though.
Gogh, huh?
I'm not aware of him though. I
Sorry,
mean, I'm not aware of the father of all artists as per your opinion. Say one or something.
father of what?
I mean, who is your favorite artist?
No,
Say
okay,
one.
okay. And Shazan, no, Shazan is not my favorite artist, but his painting is very nice. But my famous, if you want to tell, the Van Gogh is my favorite. Um, Van Gogh, Matisse, Mondrian, all these are very
And do you
all my
enjoy
favorite.
abstract arts too?
Yeah, basically, definitely.
Okay. I also like paintings and arts, but maybe I don't understand abstract arts. I mean, they're like really very hollow, empty. I can understand that's a different thing. Okay, so do you also like maths?
Maths, yeah, maths.
You were good at it from childhood.
I'm also good at maths, yeah.
Okay, so okay, tell me more topics which would like to discuss. Your favorite topics to discuss.
Um, what do you want to know from me? That you should tell me.
Like your favorite hobby, your favorite book. Do you love books?
I love books, but right now I don't have enough time to read them. But we should read basically. We should read.
Okay. So,
But
what's your favorite book?
there's a different type of books, architectural books, Bangla boy, different authors. I like them, and basically my favorite thing is doing painting is also my favorite things, because I like doing painting always. But now, once a time I always painted on canvas and and different medias, and I also like collage also. Um,
Okay.
but nowadays, for timing, I don't have any. Time is the main concern right now, but I don't have enough time to do that. That's the main thing.
Okay. So,
And another thing is, if you want to describe my profession, is my one of the favorite part of my life. Profession is my
wow.
favorite part, because architecture is such a thing which you reveal your concept in one your concept. It's a reveal concept in architecture, your passionate things, and everything you can express in your architecture. Because if you like painting, you can hand painting, or you can do painting for one project. You can do that. But architecture, in architecture, you can do lots of things. You can use different types of material, different types of landscaping you can do.
Hmm. So actually, you are very lucky, because you have found your passion, and that's satisfying. I mean, your day isn't filled with overwhelmingness or tiredness. You enjoy your work. That's awesome.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, so tell me about your day. I mean, when you wake up, when you go to your office.
Okay. I was wake up early in the morning and saying prayer. And then I took my breakfast, took my shower and breakfast. Then I go to office. Then
When?
yeah, it's about 9 o'clock.
Okay.
Okay. Then I came back from school, from office. It's 6 o'clock or 5:30.
Okay.
Sometimes 5:30, as because it's my own office, so I can maintain my time as my own. And after that, I have to go to bed early, as because I wake up early in the morning. That's why I have to go to bed early. And I took my dinner at 8 o'clock. Then I go to bed by 11 to 11:15.
Okay. And who cooks food for you? Helping hand?
Yeah, helping hand basically.
Okay.
I have 16 years. It almost 16 years he's living with me. He cooked for us because I learned him everything so that I can work and I can go anywhere smoothly without any headache.
Yeah. That's very good. So, apart from going to office and regular course, what's the thing that actually you enjoy that you do regularly, like any exercise, workouts, yoga, meditation, or anything?
I didn't do all of this, what you were saying, meditation, yoga. But previously, I did yoga, but now I am not doing any yoga. But after every meal, I always walk 10 minutes.
That's a nice habit. Why you quit yoga? Because of time restraint?
Yeah, time is the main problem for that, because you have
Oh,
to do meditation, you have to do a certain the peak time you have to engage for that.
yeah, maybe it has a peak time for doing it, but you can adapt in any time in your routine. I mean, yoga and meditation. It's better to do one time than nothing at all. Not at all,
Yeah.
right? Okay. So I think you're 40 plus, right?
No, 40 plus, 950 plus.
50 plus.
Yeah.
Okay. Then do you have any plan to incorporate this yoga or meditation thing in your daily life?
I also not right now.
Okay. Okay. Okay then. Tell me your favorite book because I love books. So
Okay.
that would be a great discussion about books.
Books. Basically, I like all architecture books. How can I tell you?
Okay, okay.
Radhawanda's books, Corbusier's books, different types of famous architects' books I like always.
Okay.
J.P. Bauer's books.
Okay. Then Bangla boi.
Uh, Bangla boi, basically Bangla boi, I should read, but my husband always read Bangla boi, but mm, recently I didn't read anything.
Okay, so you don't have to tell me what you read recently. I mean, I'm asking you altogether, what is your favorite book apart from architectural books?
Oh, apart from architecture, I didn't read anything.
Okay.
Only papers, daily news, that's all.
Okay. Fine enough. So actually, what I have understood that you actually into painting, you actually into architecture, and
Yeah.
you like to explore architecture daily.
Yeah,
You are not bored of it, so you actually love your job and passion. Good.
yeah.
Okay. So your favorite food?
I always love my practice, always. My favorite food, I don't like basically bhat. Bhat dal I don't like. Basically, I like Thai food. My favorite food is Thai food, which I
Okay.
really like. And hmm, I like pulao.
Okay. So
Kalau
can
no.
you tell me about your daily meal plan? What you
Okay.
take for
Oh,
breakfast?
okay. I always take one egg in breakfast. I always eat one egg, meal and milk with oatmeal and chia seed and different types of nuts is on that, and one cup of tea.
Okay. With sugar and milk or without it?
No, without sugar. I take milk.
Without milk.
Yeah, milk without sugar, but milk tea. I like milk tea.
Okay, milk tea but without sugar.
Milk tea, but without sugar, right?
Okay. Then what you take for lunch?
I always take for lunch roti or porota with
Okay.
vegetable
Okay.
or dal, anything.
Okay. So do you use unprocessed? Yeah, go on.
Sorry?
Do you use unprocessed flour or you use the normal flours that we can get from superstores?
Unprocessed flours means?
Okay,
Unprocessed
I means that's
dry
that's not
flowers?
processed. No. That's how can I explain unprocessed? I mean that hasn't been processed at all. It's just the raw form. So you can lal chaler bhat, lal chaler atta, or
Oh, right. Oh, you were saying that. I couldn't understand first.
that's fine.
I like lal chal, yeah. My daily routine is lal chal. It's which we took in at dinner time.
Because that's actually healthier.
Yeah, it's greenery and healthier.
Yeah. Then what you take for snack?
Snacks. I don't take anything basically.
So after lunch and before dinner, you don't take anything.
After after lunch, I don't take anything. Yeah.
Wow.
After breakfast, I didn't take anything. Before till lunch, and after doing lunch, then I didn't do anything. Then dinner, after dinner, I didn't do anything. At 8 o'clock, I
So
always
you're
took
quite
dinner.
health conscious, or you don't enjoy food.
I enjoy food, but I don't have that type of preferences. I have to eat. I have
Okay,
to. I always healthier food, and that should be mojadar food. That I like always.
Okay. So you eat to live. You don't.
Yeah, eat to live,
yeah,
right?
eat to live.
Yeah.
Right. Okay.
Yeah, eat to live,
Okay.
right.
And you don't like street foods.
I don't
Fuchka.
like street.
Okay.
I like fuchka, but if it is, I always made it in our house, so I like that.
Okay.
Rasta fuchka, I don't like Rasta fuchka.
Yeah, because of sanitary issues, of course.
Yeah, that's the main thing.
Yeah. Okay. So Okay, so why you want to
And
learn?
three favorite my um, foods. I have three foods which I really like. One is
Okay,
chocolate, one is
okay.
ice cream, and one is nuts. Different types of
Nuts.
nuts. Yeah,
Good. Okay. Can you cook?
yeah, yeah.
Enjoy
I can
cooking?
cook.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Um, but I have to, um, which I really, when I have to do it. I
Understand.
don't, I am not fond of like that. Because meaning that my husband is always love to cook, because if he cook, he can release his um,
Tension.
tensions
Yeah.
and tensions and release his others any kinds of thinking of he feels good when he cook, but I
Mm,
don't have that type of passion.
that's a win-win situation actually. Good for
Yeah,
you.
yeah,
Okay.
but I
So,
can cook.
okay. Yeah. Just for a survival skill, not for
No,
enjoyment.
no, not survival skill, but I love to what should I say? That's the main problem I have, because I don't have actual words which I should use. আমি খাওয়াতে পছন্দ করি সবাইকে. That's the main thing.
Okay. But okay. But you don't you like it, you enjoy it, but not in a
Yeah,
regular basis, right? I mean, you don't like being in a pressure that I have to cook, I have to do this, do that, but you do it from your happiness.
yeah.
Okay, got it. Do you
But
love to? Yes,
I
go on.
love to. I love to do dawat or anything. I love that. If it is everyday sessions or day of one day one after one day, it is all right with me.